Each ingredient passes a silent test. Nid. Only flawless produce earns its place on board.
Triple stage washing strips away every trace of the field, leaving only color and crunch. Warm currents lift the last droplets, preparing each piece for the blade.
Every perfect in-flight meal begins long before the journey, at the loading dock, where freshness is law.
Precision blades transform whole vegetables into perfectly uniform jewels.
Herbs are chopped by hand because flavor cannot be automated.
At 2 degrees, proteins rest row. Pristine, patient, and ready.
Every portion must be identical cooked, the same weight, the same promise.
Slow tumbling drives flavor into every fiber, patience tasted on the tongue.
Sealed in silence, every drop of flavor is locked inside.
For 90 minutes, the water never wavers, and neither does the chicken.
2,000 portions stir-fried at once. Ukori. Fire, steel, and timing in perfect harmony.
3 hours of patient reduction give every plate its soul.
20 minutes of pure steam, and basmati rises into perfection.
90 minutes complete, each breast cooked edge to edge, never once overdone. A final kiss of fire delivers the color the eyes demand. 90 minutes of cooking, 90 minutes of cooling. Food safety through speed. The stage is set. Empty trays awaiting their performance.
120 grams, measured by the gram, not by the eye.
Hands still place the protein fear, because precision deserves a human touch. A garden of color completes the savory canvas. A signature ribbon of sauce, the same on the ground and at 30,000 feet. Cold to cold, hot to hot, the tray separates worlds, never mixing them.
The smallest details make the biggest impressions.
In another wing of the kitchen, the bread story begins. Io, flour, water, time. 45 grams, perfectly round, every roll born identical. Warmth and patience conseg. Yeast performs the silent miracle of bread. 220 degrees transforms dough into golden treasure.
A whisper of butter, the airline's quiet luxury.
Warm bread meets its tray, the journey nearly complete.
Dessert is plated last and top officer, a sweet promise for the end of the meal. A raspberry, a flake of gold, small details that signal first class. 4 worlds on one tray, hot, cold, savory, sweet.
A cheese course, civility at altitude.
Every piece of cutlery cankling, the silent companion or every bite. Heat-sealed acaces, every aroma stays exactly where it belongs. Crystal clear film, protection that never hides the artistry. A silent guardian, every tray passes inspection, or it does not pass at all. 620 grams Artistry, the exact weight of a perfect journey. A label, the tray's passport to its assigned flight.
3 degrees, the exact temperature where time slows for food.
One, two, three. Flight 13.
Sealed and tagged document. 312 passengers, 1 perfect cart.
Hundreds of carts, thousands of meals, dozens of flights, Jen. Choreographed silence.
From kitchen to runway, the cold chain never breaks.
Across the tarmac thruway, the meal travels its final mile on the ground. 8 meters of hydraulic precision pile. The truck becomes a bridge to the sky.
From kitchen floor to flying galley, the same cart, an unbroken chain.
Every cart in its place, Evergreen, the silent architecture of in-flight service.
The kitchen's work is done. Now the journey begins.
On a parallel line, the vegetarian story unfolds. Every passenger, every preference. Cheese transforms, bubbling, browning, becoming irresistible.
Sound waves cut where blades cannot. Every layer preserved. Every tray, every dietary choice and move, engineered with equal care. Behind glass, special meals, prepared with rigorous separation and respect.
Every batch is sampled. Invisible safety, made visible by science.
1 click releases 10,000 meals. Every gram, every degree, traceable forever.
A pack of small comforts, Nyunken, the supporting cast of every flight.
Every element finds its partner. The lure. 1 passenger, 1 perfect set.
First class is plated by hand, slowly, intentionally, like a painting.
Each plate is its own world and room, sealed under silver until the sky calls. Crystal, linen, silver, panther. The cabin in the sky requires more than a tray.
1 in every 100 trays sacrificed crave, so the other 99 arrive perfect.
300,000 meals a day. The largest kitchen in the world never sleeps.
Between every batch, sanitation, the invisible hero of food safety.
Above the kitchen, the brain. Every tray, every ingredient, every degree, tracked in real time.
12 trucks, 12 flights, 12 precisely timed departures, all in the next 30 minutes. As one batch flies, another begins. The kitchen breathes in a perfect cycle.
Behind every meal, hands, hearts, and a single shared cup of tea.
312 passengers, 10,000 meters above the Earth Lernberg, soon to taste the kitchen's final answer.
From dawn at the dock to dusk above the clouds, the journey is complete.
1 bite, 1 tray, and 10,000 hands of work become a single moment of pleasure.
The kitchen never sleeps time. Somewhere a flight is always taking off.
Wisdom is what crosses the sky.
From a kitchen on the ground to a meal in the sky. Millions of times a day. Every day.
forever.